Good morning. On this Thursday, we're looking at some areas, couple of areas of a little bit of fog yet again today. That's typical for springtime as we're trying to warm things up. We still got cold ground and snowpack out there, and that can lead to fog development here in the valley. And here's a look at the latest on our First Alert Storm Team Skycam network. Well, this is the Luther Family Ford Skycam. You can see some low clouds right here in Fargo. There are places dealing with a little bit lower clouds again, but a little bit more gray right now to start. But I am hopeful we'll get to see some more sunshine today, and we're going to gradually be working our way up temperature-wise. So we're starting that turnaround. If you were hoping for a little milder weather, it's coming, and it's starting today. So let's take a look at our flood information. We'll give you the latest on that. And here's a look at our warnings. Same warnings we've been under, both Fargo, the Red River there, and also the Wild Rice at ABERCROMBIE under flood warnings. And here's a look at the latest at ABERCROMBIE. We did rise into moderate flood stage yesterday, and currently at 12.8 feet right now on the rise here. So as we head into the weekend, we're looking at reaching that 14-foot range here heading into the weekend coming up. So again, some of our rivers on the move, and same thing at the Red River and Fargo. We are in flood stage, but minor flood stage at this point, currently at 18.85 feet. Now, as our temperatures warm up heading into the weekend, you can see we've been just kind of gradually creeping up, but as we start to soar, that line goes up a lot more heading into the weekend, and by the time we go into next week, we're looking at the river level being into the near 23-foot range. So that's where we're going. Southern Valley is where we're kind of opening things up first. Northern Valley will follow. Temperatures right now, though, below freezing, kind of slowing things down right now. We're into the teens and 20s, so it's a little chillier out there this morning than yesterday. 14 degrees right now in Roseau. It's 23 in Fargo, 16 in Grand Forks. Our wind, we've got calm conditions over to the east, most of us seeing light winds. And the good thing here is we're starting to see that turn to the south, and that will start the warming process. I mentioned the fog. It is out there in the upper Cheyenne Valley. Valley City's at 0. Up at Cooperstown, our visibility at 0 there. Oaks, a report of about a quarter-mile visibility, so that's one place to watch out for as far as fog is concerned. And then the chance for some precipitation today, too. We're going to see more wide areas of breaks in the clouds, more opportunities at sunshine, but where we do have those clouds, still can't rule out that chance for a little snow or even some rain. You can see some flakes up by the Canadian border right now, mainly north of the border, but still you could be getting some flurries in that area. And as we expand the view, you can see we're kind of between areas of precipitation, one into South Dakota and one north of the border right now. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to miss out. We do have that chance. So here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner. Mostly cloudy skies again to start off this morning. As we head through the morning hours and into the noon hour, you can see there are more breaks in these clouds, more opportunities to get a little bit of sun. Doesn't mean that you'll get to enjoy lots of sun today. You can see there are other areas stuck under the clouds still at noon, but some nice signs here with that wind switching to a southerly direction. We see those temperatures climb above freezing this afternoon, some of us even getting into the low 40s. And you can see we still have that potential with that trailing front from that system up north, especially for some sprinkles, maybe a little flurry too. But as our temperatures rise later today, the better bet will be for a little light rain shower, especially in northeastern North Dakota and right along the border area in both states. And as we head into the nighttime hours tonight, we'll watch that kind of fizzle out. Anywhere where we have clouds, though, we can't rule out a little bit of precipitation. You can see a lot of deer here being very curious in Donna's photo. Thanks for sharing that with us. And here's a look at your 7-day planner. Warming up this weekend. We're going to be into the 40s, drying out too, more opportunities at sunshine, and then 50 to start next week.
Thank you, Lisa. Social distancing could